1000 LB Sisters star Amy Slayton has once again found herself in the spotlight after dropping major health news following a recent weight disclosure that shocked and impressed fans across the world. Viewers who have been following Amy's journey since the show's debut know that her story has been a roller coaster of highs and lows filled with personal battles, family drama and incredible milestones, but this latest revelation might be one of the most defining moments of her life. For years, fans have watched Amy struggle with her weight and health while juggling the responsibilities of being a mother, dealing with relationship issues and trying to maintain her own identity amid the chaos of reality TV fame. Her journey has inspired countless people to confront their own health challenges but also served as a raw reminder that the road to wellness is rarely straightforward. Recently, Amy revealed her current weight during an emotional segment on social media where she candidly discussed her progress, setbacks and the realities of living in the public eye. The disclosure itself sparked waves of supportive comments from fans but also triggered debates among viewers about body image, the pressures of weight loss and the expectations placed on reality stars. But just when fans thought the weight update was the only big news, Amy surprised everyone with a follow-up announcement about her health that no one saw coming. According to Amy, she has been undergoing a series of medical evaluations over the past few months, something she initially kept private while she waited for clear answers from her doctors. She explained that her recent lifestyle changes had not only affected her weight but also revealed underlying health concerns that needed immediate attention. In a heartfelt video, Amy admitted that she was nervous to share this news but felt her fans deserved honesty. She spoke about how the constant filming schedule, the stress of raising her kids and the online criticism had taken a toll on her body in ways she hadn't fully realized until now. Without giving away every detail, Amy did confirm that she has been diagnosed with a condition that will require ongoing treatment and careful monitoring in the future. While she didn't specify the exact nature of the diagnosis, she hinted that it is related to metabolic health and may be partially linked to her history of obesity. The reality star assured her followers that she is in good hands with her medical team and is determined to follow through with every step of the treatment plan. She also emphasized that this is not the end of her journey but rather a new chapter that will require even more discipline than before. Fans reacted instantly, flooding her comments with messages of encouragement, prayers and personal stories of their own health battles. Many pointed out that Amy's transparency is what makes her so relatable even when sharing difficult news. Others praised her bravery for turning a potentially scary situation into a teachable moment for her audience. Amy's revelation also sparked conversations among health professionals and online commentators about the long-term effects of extreme weight changes on the body. Several experts noted that while significant weight loss can drastically improve health, it can also expose hidden conditions that were masked by obesity. This could be the case with Amy, whose dramatic transformation may have brought certain issues to the surface sooner than expected. In the midst of this health news, fans also speculated about how it might affect her role in upcoming seasons of 1000 LB Sisters. Amy has not confirmed any changes to her filming schedule. Insiders close to production suggest that TLC is willing to accommodate her needs to ensure she can continue sharing her story without jeopardizing her recovery. Sources revealed that producers see Amy's current situation as an opportunity to show viewers the realities of life after weight loss surgery beyond the before and after pictures. It's a chance to address topics like maintaining health under stress, balancing personal life with fame and dealing with unforeseen medical challenges. For Amy, this is more than just a storyline, it's our real life unfolding in front of millions of people. Despite the challenges ahead, she remains focused on her children, her own well-being and the support network she has built over the years. She thanked her loyal fans multiple times in her announcement, acknowledging that their words of encouragement often give her the strength to push through on days when she feels like giving up. Social media has become a powerful tool for Amy to connect directly with her audience. In the days following her announcement, she shared snippets of her daily routine, including meal prep sessions, light exercise and even moments of self-care like reading and spending quality time with her boys. These glimpses into her life have reassured fans that she is not letting her diagnosis define her. Instead, she is using it as motivation to take better care of herself both physically and emotionally. This determination has only added to the respect many already had for her. Friends and family members have also publicly voiced their support. Her sister Tammy Slayton took to social media to share a heartfelt post saying she is proud of Amy for facing her health head on and not shying away from the truth. Despite the sister's somber At times turbulent relationship moments like this remind viewer of the deep bond they share. Other relatives have stepped up to help Amy with childcare and daily responsibilities so she can focus more on her treatment. Fans have also noticed a shift in Amy's energy since revealing the news. She appears more grounded and intentional in her actions, perhaps because she now fully understands how precious her health is and how quickly it can change in reality TV culture where so much emphasis is placed on appearances. Amy's willingness to open up about the less glamorous aspects of her journey sets her apart. She is not selling a perfect image, she is showing the messy, complicated and often scary reality of transforming one's life from the ground up. As the days pass, more details about her condition and treatment are expected to emerge, but for now Amy is asking for patience and positivity from her followers. She made it clear that she wants her platform to remain a source of hope and empowerment rather than speculation and negativity. In her own words, this is just another mountain to climb and she intends to reach the top no matter how long it takes. In the meantime, the conversation surrounding Amy's health has encouraged many fans to book their own checkups and take their health seriously, proving once again that her influence goes far beyond reality television. Her courage to share personal struggles is a reminder that everyone is fighting battles others can't see and that being open about him can inspire change not just in oneself but in countless others. Amy's journey has been anything but easy, yet every twist and turn seems to strengthen her resolve to live fully and authentically. Her latest health news may have caught fans off guard, but it also reaffirms the core message she's been sharing since day one: you don't give up even when the road ahead looks uncertain. For Amy, this is more than a health update, it's a declaration that she will keep fighting for herself, for her family and for the life she has worked so hard to create. And if her past is any indication, she is more than capable of turning this challenge into her next big victory. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.